Hi, I'm Suzanne from Sicard RV. Today we're going to go over some of the exterior and interior features of our 2021 Eagle HT 27 RS. The exterior of this brand new 2021 Eagle HT, you'll see they did a complete color change. It is now white with these wonderful decals. Side view camera, nice large awning, LED lights, exterior speakers, more ride steps, and it has the climate shield. So at the rear of this unit, you'll see there's this wonderful exterior storage. Put golf clubs in here, TV, or even an outdoor refrigerator. At the rear of the coach, you'll see that it has a backup camera, all LED lights, and a ladder. So on the interior of this unit, you'll see that there's a nice TV that pivots so you can watch it at different angles. 30-inch electric Furrion fireplace, a queen-size trifold sofa, and theater seating. In our kitchen area, you'll see we have a nice island, stainless steel sink, pull-down faucet, some really nice appliances, microwave with a glass 3-burner cooktop, counter space, and an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. So now we're in the dining area. You'll have a nice table with 2 chairs, storage underneath the chairs, a nice bench, and you'll also notice for 2021 there's no more carpet, it is all flooring. Really nice storage in this unit, a nice pantry with a light sensor light, more storage at the side, and also a place to put your shoes on those rainy days that you don't want them to stay outside. So in the bedroom area, you'll see there's a place for TV, or you can use this to store some extra stuff. You can hang your wet towels if need be. Washer dryer prepped. Some really nice drawers in this unit. You'll also notice a nice queen size bed. It can be optioned out to be a king. For our bathroom, you'll have a porcelain toilet, a nice stand-up shower, lots of storage, medicine cabinet, and a single sink. Thank you for watching this tour on our 2021 Eagle HT 27 RS. For more information, please contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.